Hey guys, Dr. Mike here, and let's talk about natural remedies. Today, I'm excited to share one of my favorites with you. Caraway seeds. These little guys are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and essential oils that can do wonders for your body. We're talking digestion, immunity, even your skin. So if you're ready to unlock the power of this incredible natural remedy, stick around. Let's get to it. So what exactly are caraway seeds? They come from the carum carvi plant, part of the parsley family. These seeds have been used for centuries in traditional medicine systems around the world for their incredible health benefits. Caraway seeds are like tiny treasure chests filled with antioxidants, fiber, and essential oils. They have a warm, slightly bitter, earthy flavor that adds a unique depth to dishes. You'll often find them in rye bread, cheeses, sauerkraut, and even some liquors. Now you might be thinking, okay, Dr. Mike, but what can these little seeds really do for me? Let's dive in. We've all been there. That uncomfortable feeling of bloating, indigestion, maybe some gas after a meal. Caraway seeds have been used for centuries as a natural digestive aid. They contain compounds that help relax the muscles in your digestive tract, easing spasms that lead to bloating and gas. They also stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, essential for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. Just a teaspoon or two sprinkled into your meals or brewed into a tea can make a world of difference. Interested in maintaining a healthy weight? Caraway seeds can help. They're not a magic weight loss pill, but they can be a helpful tool in your weight management journey. The fiber in caraway seeds helps you feel fuller for longer, preventing overeating. It also slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, helping regulate blood sugar levels. Caraway seeds support a healthy gut microbiome, essential for maintaining a healthy weight. These beneficial bacteria help with digestion, nutrient absorption, and even influence your metabolism. By incorporating caraway seeds into your diet, you're supporting your digestion and creating a gut environment conducive to weight management. Let's talk about immunity. We're constantly bombarded with germs and toxins that can weaken our immune system. Caraway seeds are packed with antioxidants which fight off harmful free radicals. Free radicals can damage cells and weaken your immune system, but antioxidants help neutralize them. Caraway seeds also have antimicrobial properties helping fight off bacteria and viruses. Studies show that caraway oil can inhibit the growth of certain harmful bacteria, including those that cause food poisoning. By incorporating caraway seeds into your diet, you're giving your immune system a powerful boost. If you suffer from seasonal allergies, asthma, or frequent coughs and colds, pay attention. Caraway seeds have been used for centuries to support respiratory health. Caraway oil has expectorant properties helping loosen up phlegm and mucus in the respiratory tract. This can be incredibly helpful if you're dealing with a stuffy nose, chest congestion, or a nagging cough. Caraway oil is often used in aromatherapy steam inhalations to help open up blocked sinuses and relieve congestion. Next time you're feeling under the weather, consider reaching for some caraway seeds. Let's talk beauty benefits. Caraway seeds are a good source of vitamins A, C, and E, essential for maintaining healthy skin. Vitamin A helps with cell turnover, keeping your skin looking youthful and radiant. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin from damage caused by the sun and pollution. Vitamin E helps moisturize the skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Caraway seeds also have antifungal and antibacterial properties, which can help fight off acne-causing bacteria. For those struggling with dandruff or hair loss, caraway oil can help strengthen hair follicles and reduce inflammation on the scalp. Now that you know the benefits of caraway seeds, let's talk about how to incorporate them into your daily routine. One of the easiest ways is by making caraway tea. Just take about a teaspoon of caraway seeds and crush them slightly. Add the crushed seeds to a cup and pour boiling water over them. Let the tea steep for about 10 minutes. You can strain the tea if you prefer, but I like to leave the seeds in and enjoy them as I sip. Caraway tea is particularly beneficial for digestion and a great way to relax after a long day. Looking for a quick way to boost your immunity? Try this simple caraway and honey mix. Honey has antibacterial and antiviral properties, and when combined with caraway seeds, you've got a potent natural remedy. Take about half a teaspoon of ground caraway seeds and mix it with a tablespoon of raw honey. You can eat this mixture straight off the spoon, or add it to warm water or tea. It's best to have it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach to maximize its benefits. Let's not forget about incorporating caraway seeds into our cooking. They add a wonderful, warm, earthy flavor to a variety of dishes. One of the most common ways to use caraway seeds is in baking, especially in rye bread. But don't stop there. Add caraway seeds to cookies, cakes, and even muffins for a unique twist. They also work well in savory dishes like soups, stews, or sauces. Try roasting vegetables like cauliflower or Brussels sprouts with a sprinkle of caraway seeds, salt, and pepper. The possibilities are endless. Get creative in the kitchen and experiment with this versatile spice. So there you have it, guys. Caraway seeds, a tiny seed with enormous health benefits. From boosting your digestion and immunity to enhancing your skin and hair, this little seed is a powerhouse of nutrients. Incorporating caraway seeds into your routine is incredibly easy. Whether you're sipping on caraway tea, adding them to recipes, or enjoying a spoonful of caraway and honey, there's a way for everyone to enjoy the benefits. Unlock your health's potential and start incorporating caraway seeds into your life today. Stay happy and healthy.